You spot a classic car at an event or parked on the side of the road. It's got a Carfax disc on the windscreen, which means you can find out more about it. Open your camera on your smartphone. Click on the link. You've now got 6 buttons to choose from. If you click on the History and Photos button, for example, you can uncover the history of the car as though you were talking to the owner. If you go back to the buttons, you can even see if the car is available for weddings or film hire. Back to the buttons again, and look at a YouTube video that the owner has uploaded, or maybe a favorite video feature for this model. There is also a button showing the car specification.